Agatha Sangma has officially taken on the role of Chairperson of the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights in Meghalaya. In her first media address, she responded to criticisms surrounding her appointment and expressed her determination to prove herself through her work. Sangma highlighted her passion for child welfare and the importance of collaboration in ensuring child safety. Although health issues delayed her start, she is eager to contribute to the Commission's efforts.
Minister, so I am here to talk to him today, call on him and take it forward. So let's see how it goes.
Critics have said that your appointment is related to nepotism.
See, I have no comments on that either, because whatever you do, there will always be criticism. Honestly, I'm here to show my work, and hopefully in the coming time, my work would speak for itself. It's not necessarily about nepotism or anything, but I personally feel that I've always had a very soft corner for children, and they're my favorite people in the world, and I'm very excited to work. So let people say whatever. So I'm just happy that I've been given this opportunity.